Presenting?
Yes, ma'am. One by one.
One by one!
One by one.
One by one.
Okay, one by one.
Our representative.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Not prepared. Oh my God.
Sing. I want to hear your voice.
Oh.
Just
Sing.
Just sing.
Internalize.
Sing.
And
Sing. Is that the door? The door. The door. The door. Down. The chair. The chair and the bag. The trash can.
Yes, ano.
I eat the trash.
Internalizing. Because he's going to cry. Be careful.
where's the chili? Pain.
Actually, it started. I'm acting now.
It's a what? It's a panto? Panto what?
The opera.
Pantomime.
Pantomime.
Pantomime. It's a pantomime.
Phantom of the Opera. Pantomime. Phantom of the Opera.
Phantom of the Opera. Okay.
Surprise superstar.
Okay. I just picked from my brain here.
Your brain here?
Yeah.
Your brain here.
You're always laughing at me.
It's okay. That will give you confidence. You just be sport.
Let's start. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. The
Just
door.
bite your tongue, please. Have yours and have your seat.
We have yours, please.
Don't show your teeth, please. Yes. Hi.
Hello.
Girl, you caught my eye. Thought I should try to get your name and your number.
I know that lyrics are.
No, that's familiar. Go grab some lunch and
By
eat
chance.
some
Oh,
cucumber. Why?
Okay.
I have a...
No correction, no correction. It's a presentation. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Again.
Bite my tongue.
Again. Hi.
Door, no small.
Hi.
oh, you're the one.
Hi.
You're the one.
Binabati ko yung mga ano.
I'm happy to see her.
Where?
Okay.
Where is she? Okay.
Hi. Girl, you caught my eye. My eye.
Hi.
My eye. Thought I should try to get your name and your number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumber. You and I will be like... What is that? I forgot.
You and I will be like Sunny and Cher.
Sunny and Cher. You and I will be...
La di da da.
La 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 la.
Hey, where are you going?
Thank you. Hard.
Can I just sing?
Sing.
Sing.
Yeah, you have to. You have to. That's your
Yung
favorite.
duet. Pinagda natin yung duet.
Come on.
Way back. Way back.
Okay, you have it there.
Go.
Want to
In
dance
front of the
or-
class.
I think you want to dance.
Break dancing?
Break dance.
It's your choice.
Go, Sel.
Okay? Okay, that's your choice.
It's his
Individually
choice.
or as a group?
No, I don't choose you.
What's that? What's that? Game cell.
Do it tayo. Do it tayo.
It's your performance, it's not mine.
And I can't sing without you.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll go with her.
Come on, Bebe.
I memorize, no?
It's supporting you. Oh, come on.
Featuring Adrian.
Andre, it's Andre.
Okay.
Featuring Andre. Sorry.
Hindi. Totoo lang.
Wow! Good acting. Good acting.
Okay.
But you're gonna...
Go run. Go you say. Go.
Okay. This is what I do in confidence training. Like, I'm foolish. Sometimes, like, you look foolish. But it's actually, it will help. Good.
I've been living with the shadows overhead. I've been living with the clouds above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Stuck in the past, I just can't seem to move on.
I'm looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through the night. I could use some direction. Waiting your suggestions. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. Oh,
Where is that machine? You have the balance.
I told ya.
Okay, who's next?
Good acting.
We still have two? Yes.
Yes, Miss Clever.
Rachel.
Rachel.
Very
Yeah,
clever.
Rachel. And we have Rachel there. Go.
Yes.
Come on, Rachel.
Rachel, go.
Her voice is golden like her hair.
Rachel, go out.
Go, Rachel. Go. Invite some our audience. We can invite the people.
Yes.
Go.
From leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3.
Go.
No. How about that?
No, actually you have. We just
Come on. Lullaby.
Try it.
Come on, let's
Just
Come on.
Get up.
Get up.
Share your talent. Now, if you want to work in a call center, you should be very fast to do that. We do that.
Come on.
When they have their team building.
Get up. Get lost.
Break your legs.
Come on.
Ate Vicky was...
Okay.
Wow.
Full dancing.
I have my son like my
Sing a new song.
Wow.
Sing a new song unto the Lord. Let your song be sung from mountainside. Sing a new song unto the Lord. Sing hallelujah. Yahweh's people
Hallelujah.
dance for joy. Oh, come before the Lord and play for Him.